Can I get TikTok Shop on my laptop? TikTok Shop is mainly designed for mobile use, so you cannot access the full shopping experience directly on a laptop. While you can visit TikTok's website, watch videos, and see product promotions on your computer, the checkout and purchasing process is only available through the mobile app. This is because TikTok's e-commerce system is optimized for in-app functionality, ensuring smoother transactions and better product interaction. On a laptop, you can still explore items promoted by creators, read descriptions, and view shop pages. However, if you decide to purchase something, TikTok will prompt you to continue on the mobile app. This ensures secure payment processing and a consistent experience across all users globally. The app handles everything from adding products to your cart to completing the payment safely. Many users prefer using laptops for research and product discovery, then switching to the TikTok app to complete their purchases. This combination allows for a wider browsing experience while still enjoying the convenience of quick mobile checkout. TikTok continues to expand its web functionality, so a full desktop shopping experience may arrive in the future. You can try Helium 10 for free today by clicking the link in our description. It instantly gives you access to the best tools to optimize and grow your TikTok shop business effortlessly.